Hello everybody, money meow mom, I'm back. So today, I'm gonna show you guys my birdie cage right there. You see? I'm gonna let them out. So I got them probably about a month or something. Right now, there's a Coco and Disco. They both a boy. Okay? Today I got them this. This is their favorite treat. So like you see, oh my god, this is a millet, right? Okay, so I got from the pet store nearby. It's cheap though. It's like 4 of it, $2. I got 12 of this, so I spent $6. Got plenty of stuff for them. I'm new, fine. Look, this is a food. They food. It was a brand I got for them. What did I got? I got a bird bath. They're not really using the new toy. Got so much stuff for them though. They love this one though. The treat. They need a kind of bone. What's it called? Kind of bone, right? And this one just have the flavor. Mango and banana flavor. It's like a cat toy I can share with my cat. So, and this is the case liner. You put it under the case and they poop on it and it changes it. So it's only good one, I guess. So when I want to change, so this one, another one, and this is the supplement for them. They're supposed to be like make the colorful, healthy, whatever, guys. Just about that. So I'm gonna wear a glove. I forgot another glove, so I'm just gonna try this one out. Okay, I use a spray. This one to spray them to give them a bath. Sometime like that. Sorry guys, today I have a bit cold. My nose is a bit running, so but I'm fine. Usually I'm not usually they don't use me. They don't really come to my finger like that and they bite me. It's pretty hard when they bite me. So sometimes I make them like a toy DIY, so I make them by myself. Sometimes I went to the store a lot of time. Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on out. They're gonna freak out away. Like open the cage. Let's try out. My cat is upstairs in my room right now, so I want to get him out. Come on, baby. Coco, let's go. I got some trick I like watched from YouTube video. They said like got a stick and put the treat on it. Sometimes they eat it and I don't have time to train them. I mean, it's hard. I put some fruit, hang it over there, and they eat it sometimes. Sometimes they don't. Baby, come on out. Step. Come on, Disco. Up, baby, up. Coco, up. Disco, Coco. The water you have to change is. Oh my God, the poop in there already. You need to change that like every day. You guys. Come on, meow meow. Oh, not meow meow. Treat here. Disco. Coco, Disco. If I take them out, they're gonna try to bite me. I'm pretty sure. Hello. This is Coco. Coco, it's alright. It's alright. You are. Come on out here, baby. Come on out here. I know you can fly. You wanna fly out? Come on. Oh my goodness. Got one out. Your turn. Coco. Come on out, baby. Coco. I don't got it right today. Disco. This is Disco. Come on out, baby. Sometimes Disco come out by himself. They don't like this. Please don't follow my instruction. I do my own thing. It's bad. They're not like you. What? Oh my God, baby, come on. I don't want to touch. I don't want to hurt you. I just want you to come out. Okay? Disco. Yes, you see? Disco tried to bite me. Go that way, baby. Go that way. You want this one? Here, come here. Come on. Come on, Coco. Disco. Oh, they look so similar. That's why I like. They don't really like how. He look at me. Hi guys, I'm here with this girl. He probably why I wear glove because he not used to me and he hated. He gonna bite me. Baby, it's okay. Don't be scared. Shh. Aww. Little birdie. He's gonna go back to his cage. He's go back inside his cage right now. Right there. Yep. I don't like him holding and touching him. Another one. Coco. I'm gonna try to go get Coco. It's Coco. Look, Coco look more white. Coco, baby. Ah. Try to get out. I don't want to show it. Okay, go find me. Okay, there she go. He and Coco is boy. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.